So I'm going to check now if the filter's blocked on this BEKO washer. Reason being, after every wash, it's still full of water in the bottom and the clothes are soaking wet. Can you see the pull there? So at the bottom here, if you open this here, this is quite a new model, and you get these little hose pipes to drain it out of. That's your drain hose. Pull the bung out and it'll slowly drain out. But because mine's got so much water in it, that will take a while. And my wash is fitted on a stand, so I can actually get this bucket underneath. So I'm going to put this under and undo the filter here and pull it out, which will drain it a lot quicker. But if yours is mounted obviously on the floor, just stood on the floor, you're not going to be able to do what I'm doing. You'll have to use the drain hose. So I'm just going to do the filter now. I'm hoping it's going to be blocked. Oh, yeah. That is definitely blocked. So I'll just clear my filter now. I'll also have a quick look in there. That looks pretty clear, does that? Hair bubble. That won't help. Just get that last piece out there. So that's how the filter should look. I'm just going to grab a torch just to quickly look inside there. Yeah, that's clear. So I'm going to refit the filter in. Switch hands. That's it. But yeah, like I say, if yours is on the floor, you're not going to be able to get a bucket under it. You're going to have to slowly drain it off through this drain hose. So that's a good thing to check if your washing is very wet after the spin and drain, or if you're getting water in the bottom of your drum just sat after a wash and drain, after the spin and drain. So thanks for watching. Any questions, drop me a comment and I'll try to answer them.